These RVs redefine what luxury living means by bringing the comfort, elegance, and technology of a modern home onto the open road. Designed with premium materials, spacious interiors, advanced features, and thoughtful layouts, these extraordinary vehicles offer a travel experience unlike any other. From sophisticated kitchens and luxurious bedrooms to smart systems and high-end finishes, they prove that adventure does not require sacrificing comfort. These are some of the most impressive RVs ever created, built for those who want freedom with a truly elevated lifestyle. Marathon Coach 1425 is a luxury motor coach designed to deliver exceptional comfort and convenience for extended travel. Built on the dependable Prevost H345 chassis, it combines advanced engineering with refined craftsmanship to create a premium home on wheels. Its elegant exterior complements a spacious interior finished with high-quality cabinetry, stylish furnishings, and carefully planned lighting that creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Expanding slide-outs increase living space, making the coach ideal for relaxing or entertaining during long journeys. A fully equipped kitchen, comfortable lounge, private bedroom, and modern bathroom provide the essentials for comfortable living on the road. Smart control systems simplify the operation of lighting, climate, entertainment, and other onboard functions. Ample storage, advanced electrical systems, and premium amenities enhance practicality without compromising luxury. Designed with attention to detail and everyday usability, the Marathon Coach 1425 offers an outstanding blend of comfort, innovation, durability, and sophisticated travel for every adventure. Newell Coach 1610 represents a premium approach to luxury motorhome design, combining custom engineering with residential-style comfort. Constructed on Newell's own purpose-built chassis, this 45-foot coach is designed for smooth performance and long-distance travel. Its 4 slide-outs expand the interior, creating an open and inviting living space. Inside, high-quality wood finishes, modern furnishings, stone countertops, and carefully planned lighting contribute to an elegant atmosphere. The well-equipped kitchen includes residential-style appliances, while the private sleeping area and spacious bathroom provide comfort for extended stays. Heated flooring, multiple climate control systems, and integrated entertainment features add convenience throughout the coach. A centralized smart control system allows easy operation of lighting, temperature, and other onboard functions. Large storage compartments and advanced mechanical systems improve practicality for life on the road. Every Newell motor coach is individually built, making Coach 1610 a unique combination of craftsmanship, thoughtful design, advanced technology, everyday comfort, and reliable performance for luxury travel. 2026 Alliance RV Delta Ultra-Lite RK 234 is a lightweight travel trailer designed to provide modern comfort without the size of a large motorhome. Measuring just under 28 feet, it offers a practical layout that makes efficient use of every available space. A full-width rear kitchen includes generous countertops, ample cabinetry, deep storage drawers, a spacious pantry, and a large refrigerator for extended trips. The slide-out living area creates an open atmosphere with comfortable seating, a booth dinette, oversized windows, and a smart TV for entertainment. At the front, the private bedroom features a residential queen-size bed, wardrobe storage, and a separate exterior entrance for added convenience. Built with a heated enclosed underbelly, durable composite sidewalls, a seamless roof, solar preparation, and quality tires, the RK 234 is ready for a variety of travel conditions. Its thoughtful design combines practicality, comfort, durability, and efficient space, making every camping adventure more enjoyable and convenient. The 2027 Tiffin Allegro Bay is a modern Super C motorhome created for travelers seeking both capability and residential comfort on the road. Built on the Freightliner S2 RV platform, it is powered by a Cummins B 6.7 diesel engine matched with an Allison automatic transmission for dependable long-distance performance. Offered in several layouts between 35 and 39 feet, the coach uses multiple slide-outs to expand the interior and create a spacious living environment. Premium cabinetry, elegant furnishings, durable flooring, and contemporary finishes give the cabin a refined appearance. The well-appointed kitchen, relaxing lounge, private bedroom, and full bathroom provide the convenience of home while traveling. Advanced driver assistance features, large fresh water capacity, and smart storage solutions support extended trips with ease. Carefully integrated technology and high-quality construction enhance everyday usability, making the 2027 Tiffin Allegro Bay a comfortable, practical, and thoughtfully designed motorhome built for memorable adventures across a wide range of destinations. Newmar Essex is a luxury Class A motorhome designed to deliver premium comfort, advanced technology, and impressive performance for long-distance travel. Built on a Freightliner SL tag axle or Spartan K3 chassis, it is powered by a high-output diesel engine that provides confident highway capability. Newmar's reinforced star foundation enhances structural strength, while the Comfort Drive adaptive steering system helps create a smoother driving experience. Inside, the spacious cabin features handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, premium leather seating, elegant tile flooring, and expansive slide-outs that maximize living space. The residential-style kitchen includes high-end appliances, while the private bedroom and spa-inspired bathroom offer everyday comfort. Smart coach controls simplify the management of lighting, climate, entertainment, and essential onboard systems. Generous exterior storage, advanced power options, hydraulic leveling, and available solar capability support extended adventures. Combining refined craftsmanship with innovative engineering, the Newmar Essex delivers a sophisticated motorhome experience designed for comfort, convenience, reliability, and memorable journeys. American Coach American Dream is a luxury Class A diesel motorhome built to combine premium craftsmanship with dependable performance for extended travel. Constructed on the Liberty Bridge integrated Freightliner custom chassis XCM, it is available with powerful Cummins diesel engine options paired with Allison automatic transmissions for smooth driving. The spacious interior features elegant cabinetry, premium furniture, quartz countertops, heated porcelain tile flooring, and multiple slide-outs that create an open residential environment. A well-equipped kitchen, comfortable lounge, private bedroom, and stylish bathroom provide the convenience of home while on the road. The Firefly control system allows easy operation of lighting, climate, and other coach functions through a centralized interface. Advanced driver assistance technologies enhance safety, while generous basement storage and strong towing capability support long-distance adventures. Combining modern technology, refined design, practical functionality, and quality construction, the American Dream delivers a comfortable and sophisticated travel experience for every journey ahead. The 2026 Keystone Cougar 290 RLS is a premium fifth wheel designed to deliver the comfort and convenience of a modern home while traveling. With a spacious rear living layout, 3 slide-outs, and a length of over 33 feet, it creates a welcoming environment for extended adventures. The living area includes comfortable theater seating, a sleeper sofa, entertainment features, and an electric fireplace for a relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen provides ample workspace, modern appliances, generous storage, and a large refrigerator for everyday use. A private bedroom with wardrobe space and washer-dryer preparation adds extra convenience for longer trips. Built with a durable chassis, advanced suspension, auto-leveling system, enclosed underbelly, and solar preparation, the Cougar 290 RLS is designed for reliability in various travel conditions. Combining practical features, thoughtful design, and residential comfort, this fifth wheel offers an enjoyable and flexible experience for travelers seeking a true home on the road. Renegade XL is a powerful Super C motorhome designed for travelers who want luxury, strength, and long-distance capability in one impressive package. Built on premium heavy-duty chassis options, it combines commercial-grade performance with a refined residential interior. The spacious coach offers multiple slide-outs, creating comfortable living areas with elegant furnishings, hardwood cabinetry, quartz surfaces, and premium flooring. Inside, travelers can enjoy a gourmet kitchen, private bedroom, and stylish bathroom designed for extended stays. Modern technology includes smart control systems, advanced entertainment features, solar options, lithium power, and high-capacity energy solutions for greater independence on the road. Safety systems such as cameras, driver assistance features, and collision protection add confidence during every trip. With impressive towing ability, generous storage, and durable construction, the Renegade XL delivers a unique combination of luxury living, adventure readiness, and dependable performance for those exploring destinations without limits. Winnebago ARKA introduces a new style of luxury travel by combining rugged capability with comfortable living in remote environments. Built on a Ram 5500 4x4 platform, this adventure-focused RV is designed to handle challenging terrain while providing protection and comfort in changing climates. Its flexible interior includes convertible sleeping spaces, practical storage, durable materials, and a heated rear gear area for outdoor equipment. Modern features such as aluminum cabinetry, smart controls, and advanced energy systems support extended journeys away from traditional campsites. With off-grid capabilities, solar options, efficient power management, heated floors, and all-season construction, ARKA offers independence for explorers who want to travel beyond ordinary routes. Designed as a mobile adventure base, the Winnebago ARKA blends innovation, durability, and everyday comfort, creating a unique experience for travelers seeking freedom, exploration, and a reliable home wherever the road or trail takes them. The 2027 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 26.2 brings together compact design, modern comfort, and easy driving in a versatile Class A motorhome. Built on the Ford E-Series chassis with a powerful V8 engine, it offers impressive capability while remaining simple to handle on different roads. Its smart interior layout creates a comfortable living space with convertible twin beds, theater seating, a functional kitchen, and a spacious bathroom. An overhead bunk provides additional sleeping space, making it suitable for couples and small families. Outdoor features like a powered awning, LED lighting, and an exterior entertainment setup enhance the travel experience. Equipped with a generator, solar panel, and tankless water heater, the Vegas 26.2 supports convenient adventures away from traditional facilities. Combining efficient use of space, practical technology, and residential-inspired features, this motorhome delivers a comfortable and flexible travel experience for those who want luxury in a smaller package. DRV Mobile Suites. 41 FKRB is a luxury fifth wheel created for travelers seeking the comfort and space of a premium home while exploring the road. With a 43-foot design and 6 slide-outs, it offers an expansive interior focused on residential-style living. The front kitchen features generous workspace, modern appliances, a large refrigerator, and custom storage for everyday convenience. The spacious living area includes comfortable seating, elegant finishes, and advanced entertainment features. A private bedroom with a king-size bed, wardrobe storage, and a well-designed bathroom adds to the long-term travel experience. Built with a strong frame, insulated construction, advanced climate systems, hydraulic leveling, and large water capacity, this fifth wheel is prepared for extended adventures. Combining durability, thoughtful engineering, and upscale features, the DRV Mobile Suites 41 FKRB delivers a refined mobile lifestyle where comfort, functionality, and luxury come together on every journey. Luxe Gold 38 GFB is a premium fifth wheel designed to bring residential comfort and refined living to the road. Built for full-time travel, this spacious model offers a strong foundation, generous water capacity, and a layout focused on convenience and relaxation. The front bedroom and bathroom suite create a private retreat with a large shower, elegant vanity, storage space, and laundry preparation. Inside, handcrafted cabinetry, soft-touch finishes, premium seating, and solid surface countertops provide a sophisticated atmosphere. The open living area features comfortable furniture, entertainment options, and large windows that create a bright and welcoming environment. A well-equipped kitchen with modern appliances, ample storage, and quality materials supports everyday living. Advanced features such as upgraded suspension, leveling systems, solar readiness, and all-season construction enhance travel capability. Combining durability, craftsmanship, and luxury design, the Luxe Gold 38 GFB offers a true residential experience wherever the journey takes you. Bolus Endless Highways Frontier Edition represents a unique approach to luxury travel, combining handcrafted construction with advanced off-grid technology. Built in California with Bolus's signature aluminum monocoque design, this lightweight and aerodynamic trailer offers impressive durability and efficient towing. Its exclusive interior features elegant wood finishes, custom details, specialty furniture, and carefully crafted elements that create a refined atmosphere. Designed for extended adventures, it includes powerful energy systems, solar charging, heated floors, advanced air filtration, continuous hot water, and modern connectivity options. The thoughtful design allows travelers to experience remote destinations while maintaining exceptional comfort and convenience. With its blend of artisan craftsmanship, innovative engineering, and self-sufficient capabilities, the Frontier Edition transforms the traditional travel trailer into a sophisticated mobile retreat. It represents a new level of luxury for explorers who value independence, style, and unforgettable journeys beyond ordinary camping experiences. Storyteller Overland GX5 Wild is an expedition vehicle designed for travelers who want to explore remote destinations with comfort and confidence. Built on a rugged Ram 3500 4x4 chassis, It combines powerful performance with a thoughtfully designed living space. Inside, premium seating, wood accents, and durable finishes create a warm and practical environment. The compact yet functional interior includes a complete kitchen setup, flexible sleeping areas, and a full bathroom for extended adventures. Advanced off-grid technology features a powerful energy system, solar charging capability, and efficient power management to support independent travel. Its four-season construction helps provide comfort in changing environments, while the innovative outdoor deck expands the usable living area beyond the vehicle. Blending rugged engineering, smart design, and modern amenities, the GXV Wild offers a unique way to experience adventure while maintaining the convenience and comfort of a luxury home on wheels. Airstream Classic 33 FB Twin brings together iconic design, modern technology, and premium comfort in a luxury travel trailer built for extended adventures. Its recognizable aluminum exterior is paired with a carefully crafted interior featuring elegant cabinetry, quality materials, and a spacious layout. The twin bed design creates a relaxing private area with smart storage solutions, while the large rear bathroom adds residential-style convenience. Inside, travelers enjoy a fully equipped kitchen, comfortable lounge seating, panoramic windows, and advanced entertainment features. The My Airstream smart control system provides easy management of lighting, climate, and essential functions. Additional features like solar power, heated batteries, hydronic heating, and powered exterior equipment improve convenience during travel. Combining timeless craftsmanship with modern innovation, the Airstream Classic 33 FB Twin offers a refined mobile living experience for those who appreciate style, comfort, and the freedom to explore new destinations without giving up the feeling of home.